All right. Markets today, again, just about, a 0.5% or so uptick, 0.6% to be exact. And a lot of individual movers. Once again, NTPC up 7-8%. We had Sun TV and, in fact, media, Sun, Zee, numbers also looking good. So 6% on Sun and a 4.5% on Zee coming in. So media was clearly in focus. Auto names as well, Bajaj Auto, Thyrocare, both seeing about a 4% move coming in. Ashok Leyland continued its up move, but just about 1% or so. Maruti was up about 2.5% in today's session. So auto clearly also emerged as a theme in today's session. Perhaps also some amount of pickup ahead of festive season, even though it's a little while to go. But commentary suggesting that things will get better for the auto pack, and they're already seeing a wave on the back of rural demand. So Escorts already saw about a 5% gain, as did an Aisha in today's session as well. So that was a continuing theme. Let's just run through some of the other gainers as well and talk you through that. It continued to be fairly stock specific. Thyrocare was at circuit. That was the big one, up at about 20% or so. And Motherson continued its move higher, up 6% on that one. Vedanta, 4.5%, Sterlite names. We saw some of the other metal majors also rally. JSW up about 2% or so in today's session. So that was an ongoing theme, and we've seen that actually play out and last week and continuing to do so this Monday. Tata Steel also about a 1.5% move, and further buzz or talks about potential deleveraging measures that they may take going forward. Otherwise, a lot of green on the screen. Breath was intact, which is important to note. Titan still seeing that about 1.5% move. L&T continuing to see that 1.5% move coming in. IT held strong as well. Tech, Mahindra, Wipro, a couple of the names there. RBL was up about 3.5%. So that one was continuing to bounce around, but overall financials have remained quiet, in the last week, 10 days or so. SBI was down about 1.5%. And Reliance not really contributing in today's session. HDFC, ICICI also from the financials, just a touch in the red. So no major cuts, but just lagging behind in trade. But clearly, IT continuing to hold strong, metals continuing to play out as a theme, auto, media, those were a couple of pockets to focus on in today's session.